Hi, my name's Matt. I run 3 different channels, and on this channel, I am showing you all of my tricks to help you learn how I grew my channel to over 20,000 subscribers in a year, and my first video is about to hit 1 million views. So today we're going to talk about subscribers don't always mean views. Some people seem to think, and there's a big misconception out there, that just because you have a bunch of subscribers, you get a lot of views. There's a difference between active subscribers and inactive subscribers. Um, YouTube shows videos based on interest and not subscriptions. So that means that if you have 10,000 subscribers and those 10,000 subscribers are interested in your content, then you will have a very high flow rate for those subscribers, which will be usually the first path to testing a video for them, which is good for you. But at the same time, if you attract a lot of the wrong type of subscribers, then when you release a video, they don't have that interest. And then of course, and this is where things like niche become very important, because you want the subscribers that subscribe to your content to want to watch your content. You don't just want 1,000 subscribers. You want 1,000 subscribers that wants to watch a majority of the videos that you release. Many subscribers become inactive over time. This can happen for a variety of reasons. You could have a viral video or a couple of shorts that talk about things that are kind of on the edge or the fringe of what you're wanting. You get a couple of subscribers for them, and then as they see your content come up a couple of times, they're just not interested. Also, I've subscribed to many channels for DIY projects or things like that while I'm in the process of doing those projects. And then as I lose interest in that project, I become an inactive subscriber and I just get to the point where I ignore it. And YouTube has gotten so good at determining what I want to see that it fishes in new things as I go and watch one video for it. I see it show up all over my feed, but it also has a tendency for even those members even those channels I'm subscribed to, if I stop watching them, it stops presenting that content. And nowadays, even if I'm not subscribed, if I watch a video from a certain person over and over and over, it seems to show them almost as if I was subscribed to their channel. So that's one reason. Many subscribers become inactive over time. Viral videos can bring in subscribers. Viral videos have a tendency to bring in subscribers that don't match your traffic. And this is why it is of paramount importance that if you make a short, you don't just make a random short to get viewers and subscribers. That is not what you want. Suppose you have a channel about gardening, and you decide that out of the middle of nowhere, there's this grand theme going on with politics or fishing. And so you make this video that goes super viral and you end up with 100,000 subscribers out of it. It's not going to do your gardening channel any good to have 100,000 subscribers that wants to watch videos about fishing or politics. Your channel just became a fishing or a politics channel. And if that's not something you want to do on a regular basis, all of those members are going to start falling out. They're going to unsubscribe. They're going to stop watching. They're going to become inactive. And what that tells YouTube, what they see, is that you have a video come out, you have 100,000 subscribers, and 50 people watch it. What would that tell you is if you saw something like that, you would think to yourself, wow, this guy has a whole bunch of people that isn't on YouTube anymore, or this guy has a whole bunch of videos that nobody likes, or this guy makes a whole bunch of videos that nobody wants to watch. And most likely that would be true. Not that having 100,000 subscribers doesn't mean you want to watch it, but you have 100,000 subscribers that don't want to watch that content. So it is really important. And you'll hear a lot of YouTube gurus out there tell you, don't tell your friends, don't ask people to watch your videos, let it grow organically. And this is why when your channel is new, it is most important that every subscriber really wants to see and watch your content. Don't have your friends subscribe and watch, a couple of videos, lose interest and become inactive, or only watch them or kind of it doesn't do you any good. What you really need is you need good subscribers that do it. Now, I have an opinion about shorts in this matter. I believe that if shorts are relate it closely to the long form videos, and they can live together. And I've proven it with my solar channel. My long form videos and my short form videos are very closely tied to solar only. I very seldomly stray from that category. And a lot of these users watch all of this content, and a lot of those viewers watch all of that content. Now, is it as good as if I had gotten, let's say I get 100,000 viewers with only long form videos and it stays on exactly on target? No, it isn't as good as if I had done that. If you look at a channel like Ambition Strikes, where the content has been on subject for the entire life of it, he's got 1 million subscribers, he gets 900,000 views on every video. That is the ideal situation because every subscriber wants to watch the content and every video is about the content, and that is the definition of a niche. When you're new, you're going to have to play a little bit. You're going to have to stray from that a tiny bit and come up with the right balance to make sure that you get the subject that you want to write and create content about, at the same time, the subject that people want to watch and do it. And then if you do hit a viral video on a subject that you didn't want to do, now your channel is going to be polluted with people who don't want to watch your content anymore. And my suggestion to you is if that's happened to you and you're in excess of thousands and thousands of subscribers that aren't on subject, start over with a new channel. It's the only way to fix it, other than suffering through the massive losses, the inactivity, and a little bit harder growth spurt that goes along with it. YouTube prioritizes new viewers over old viewers, old subscribers. And what I mean by this is when you put out a new video, if 10 people like that category and they're not a subscriber and they watch it and they like it and you get some interaction from them, and 10 of your subscribers, it is expected that the 10 subscribers that you have will want to watch it. It is not expected that every one of these is going to want to watch it. So they give more weight to these over here. Your content needs to be balanced in a form that you provide new content or fresh enough content that you attract new people, and that you're not alienated by a long series of content that only these people want to watch. Like I said, it's expected these people are going to watch it. But if you're not injecting fresh blood as you go along, your channel will not continue to grow and YouTube will not continue to recommend you on pages because it doesn't know where to recommend you because new people don't like to watch your content. Discovery content grows a channel more than subscriber content. Discovery content is what is going to spur your channel into growth less than your subscriber content. You need to have content to make your subscribers happy and to keep them watching. But as I said, they're expected to want to watch your videos. That's why they subscribed. You don't subscribe to a newspaper because you don't want to read the newspaper. And this is the same thing with your channel. Think of it the same way. If they subscribe to your channel, they want to watch your channel. Now your goal is to create content that they want to watch, but that someone that isn't a subscriber also wants to watch equally. And that sometimes can be very difficult because it's very easy to get into this long string of videos that's made exclusively for this little group over here, and you exclude this group over here. And this is what this group over here, being the new viewers that have never seen you before, this is the group that needs to have 60-70% of your focus, and 40-50% of your focus needs to be on those existing subscribers, because it is expected that those people want to watch your videos. And if they don't, then your channel has some real problems and you're going to have to deal with, why can't I get the subscribers to watch the videos that I already have? One of the most important things to realize is views from new viewers drive subscriptions, not views from existing users. So this is another important reason for you to focus a large percentage. And I'm not saying ignore your existing users. You need to have them want to watch it, but you need to be able to attract new viewers. So it's very important to understand that views to those new users are what's going to drive subscriptions. This is why, if you go back and look at the video that I talk about my my million view video, which is the short that I have, it is very important to recognize in there that a big portion of that are new viewers. It's fresh blood constantly adding to my live streams, my subscription list, my content, my feedback, and it allows the channel to evolve naturally by altering its makeup of its subscriber base on a continuous basis. I hope this helps. Again, my name is Matt. I run mattm Solar, I run Build Unbound, and I run this channel to help you get where I've got and for us to grow together over the next year. I hope that this has helped you, and if so, please give me a subscribe so you don't miss the next video, and we'll see you there.